Hello guys, ito yung mga ginagawa namin dito sa New Zealand as a mechanic. Iba't ibang klaseng sasakyan. Merong European, Japanese, American, China, Korean. Itong sasakyan na ito, I'm going to do the service. So bago ko gagawin ang service, may start ko muna para makita kung walang problema ang pag-andar ng sasakyan. So parang okay naman. Okay naman andar niya. So i-start ko na yung pag-booking na for the service. Okay, so tapos na yung service ko dun sa isa. So, ada job naman na hanap naman ng ibang next job. So I'm going to lift up this car, make ready for tomorrow. We are going to machine the brake rotors for tomorrow and replace the brake pads as well. Hindi rin madali ang trabaho ng isang mekaniko dito sa New Zealand. O, itaas ko lang ito konti para bukas is ready na. Tanggalin yung mga gulong tomorrow on brake pads and rotors, front and rear brake rotors to machine. So ganito ang trabaho ko dito guys, mag-mekaniko, inspection, servicing cars. So ito pa din yung para bukas, replacing 4 shock absorber. Get ready. Ito naman, kabababa lang ang engine. We need to replace the engine. So ito naman ay fuel pump problem. So we just drop down the fuel tank and take the fuel pump inside, and the fuel pump is faulty, so we are going to replace this tomorrow as well. So many jobs line up for tomorrow. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. So ito yung mga trabaho ko dito sa New Zealand as a mechanic. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Thank you.